Good morning and welcome. Welcome, people, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is the Thursday's edition of the Analyst. Today we are filtering data when creating a report in SQL Server reporting services. There are two layers at which you can add filters, which are at the database, at the data set level, and column level. Why would you want to do that? Supposedly you'd want some sort of tabular result with that a chart of some sort, both filtered to a certain extent. Let us start doing this by creating a new paginated report. We're going to use our shared data source that we've created. So we'll start off by creating a blank report. Because we already have a shared data set, we don't need to go through the same process of creating a data source, then a data set. We just insert table matrix, warehouse stock. We need stock ID, stock name, color name. Drag them all to values. Don't want stock ID to be summed, so I'll just unclick sum. Next. Let me drag the table just a bit more so it looks presentable. Left align. Run the report, see what it's like. Okay, just gotta make stock item name but more visible. Perfect. We're off to a good start. So here's how you create a filter on the data set. You right click, warehouse stock, filter, add filter. Expression is on your color name. Operator would be equal to, value would be yellow. Press OK. Run the. And here you see all the stock that is yellow. Could do the same for red and pink, basically whatever color you have. Could do the same with for your column. Select the column, escape once, escape again until you see something called tablets. It's the same. Once you see tablets, you click page, property pages. icon here, you go to filtering. Go to filters. So you go to filters, on the tablets property, click add. Expression would be on. Color name, operator would be equal. It would be yellow. Now you have a column filter for color name. All items that are yellow in color will be displayed.